The past 24 hours have been pretty rough for most cryptocurrencies. Yesterday, we saw a huge crash like we haven't seen in quite some time. Is the crypto market, which has been in a bull run for well over a year, turning bearish? Hey everyone, and welcome into Cryptocurrency Daily, where we cover cryptocurrency daily. Today, we are looking at the massive drops we saw in most cryptocurrencies yesterday and overnight, and then discuss what this means for both the near and long-term future of cryptos. Are we now entering a crypto bear market? No need to waste any time here. Here are some 24-hour prices for some of the leading cryptos. It really has been a bloodbath. I want to focus in on Bitcoin right now and look at this. Just a straight nosedive that resulted in a loss of around $10,000 in the coin. It's being reported that cryptos have seen $1 billion in liquidations here on this drop. Other popular coins like Mana, ADA, Dogecoin, and Cocos-BCX have all taken similar paths. So, now the interesting question. Are we entering a bear market? As much as we like to think that stocks and cryptos are unrelated, outside factors that have nothing to do with cryptocurrency can still influence their prices. For example, back in 2020, around the same time we saw stocks crashing due to coronavirus, we saw cryptos take a similar path as people had uncertainty and decided to pull out of riskier investments and into safer ones. I see a similar trend occurring now. In addition, you have the possibility of tighter regulation on cryptos, which is unfortunate because that's part of the reason why cryptos are so popular. They're more difficult to regulate. Now, of course, Bitcoin will be the leading factor in what we see with the rest of the cryptocurrencies as well. Now, sure, there's going to be one-offs that decide to spike and dip on their own, but Bitcoin is really going to be the main catalyst as to whether or not we enter a bear market or not. So as far as the quote-unquote bear market, I personally don't think that we're there yet. One day of disappointment doesn't mean we have entered a bear market. Time and time again, we have seen people buy the dip on cryptos, really keeping their prices from cratering back down. I see that being the case here too, and I feel that cryptos will recover to an extent in the days ahead. We all know that cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and I see this as just another one of the ups and downs we are undoubtedly going to continue to see moving forward. In the long term, this 24-hour drop will be just another bump in the road. A lot of people see this as a great buying opportunity to go ahead and buy the dip and hope to cash in on some quick gains as the price of these coins hopefully rises back up. It's way too soon to say that we are in a crypto bear market, and while everyone is entitled to their own opinion on this, I think that we're going to be just fine. I'm curious, what have you been doing on this big crypto drop we've been seeing? Have you been buying, selling, or holding? Let me know down in the comments. If you guys are excited for the future of cryptocurrency, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already for the latest news on the hottest cryptocurrencies. I'll talk to you all in the next one.